this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make water kefir soda. It's super easy, delicious, and really healthy. You're going to absolutely love this recipe, so let's get started.
To make water kefir soda, you're going to need a quarter cup of grains, equal amount of sugar, and 1 liter of water, which is equivalent to 4 cups of filtered clean water. You add that into your container and you let it ferment for 48 hours, and then you strain it as you see me doing here. I am doing a larger batch, so I have half a cup of grains to half a cup of sugar and 8 cups of water in mine. After you've strained it and you've removed the grains, you're going to want to prepare some bottles if you're wanting to do kefir soda. So you can flavor your kefir soda several ways. One of the ways is you can add 2 tea bags into a bottle like I just did. You can use dried or fresh fruit. I used about 7 pieces of dried nectarine, which I dried myself, but any dried fruit would be fine. And I do like to add a little vanilla to it because I think it tastes really delicious. And then, or you can also add juice. So you would add about a quarter cup into a liter bottle of juice of your choice. After that, you're going to fill it with your strained kefir water, and you want to leave about an inch from the top as it will expand and the pressure will increase and it will get really bubbly. So make sure you leave about an inch from the top. You're going to seal it, and then you're going to let it ferment for another 24 hours or so. If it's hotter, it could be faster. If it's colder, it can take longer. You're just going to want to burp it about 24 hours later, and depending on the fizz, you'll know if it's ready or not. You do it to your taste and to your liking. Once it's ready, you just place it straight into the fridge. And once it's nice and cold, serve and enjoy. Now, don't forget your grains to feed them again with either rapido sugar or raw sugar. I tend to do a mix and match, and top it up again with filtered water. Now, you can either leave this on the bench again and let it ferment for another 48 hours, or you can place it straight into the fridge, and it will be great for at least a week before it will need to get fed again. You can also eat the grains. They are edible, so if you get a lot of grains, feel free to eat them, or you can sell them on or give them as a gift to somebody else. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own water kefir soda at home, a super delicious, healthy, bubbly drink. If you want to see more homemaking, cooking from scratch, and clean living, feel free to follow along, so make sure you follow and subscribe. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will also have the written instructions below. I'll have a link to my blog post with full written instructions for you. You can also print it out if you want to. See you guys again soon. Bye.